Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is our part 4 in Creo, and this is our part a little bit complex. As you can see, this one is a top view. This drawing here is a view from the top here. That is top view. Side view, when you view from this direction, you see this here. Once you understand how you're going to view, it becomes easier for you to draft. Therefore, when you view from this side, you see this. Okay, therefore, I'm going to start by this top view and draw this bottom base. That is a rectangle of 222 versus 96. Then extrude by 20. You can see here it's 20. Let's fast forward draft that. Open Creo. On top, select extrude. Then use center rectangle. You can view normal to this like that. Then press D to dimension F to fit. This one is a 222 and this one is 96. 96. See okay and extrude by 20. You can go bottom direction if you want or up. Let me go bottom direction. Then I need now to draft this section here and mirror it to get this. Therefore, these are the dimensions here: 36, 16, and 16, and 32. Therefore, on this face, we are going to extrude view normal. I need to convert this first for this edge here as a reference because I want to use a corner rectangle. Let me see here is a corner, yeah, from this face here. Oops, we need a corner with a R like that, and then I need an arc, 3-point arc from this point, not that point arc. Let's use center ends. Yeah, let's use this arc. Yeah, that's the best for us, and we delete this segment. Yeah, let's now dimension. I need 36 by 32. This one to be 32. Something is not okay here. Let's first fix this here. I want this to be coincident, those two parts there. Yeah, this 36. Okay, this one is we need 16, and yeah, I need a circle here of diameter 16, this of radius 16, and a height of, what's the height? 36. Height of 36. Yeah, then I need to extrude by, you can see here is 14. You can see this guy here has extrude by 14. Same case here, how to use 14 like that. Then I can use right plane to mirror this using right plane. Okay, that's the bottom side here. Then next, I prefer now going to this one here, this back one. On the back one, I'm going to start by these two cylinders and this one here, extrude them. I'm going to extrude them by let me see here, by 28. Yeah, I'm going to extrude this back one by 14, then extrude this one by 14. 28 minus 14, 14. Then make cutouts holes. Yeah, let's start by this side here, 1 by 14. Therefore, it is here. I can use a plane or can use this face. If you want to use a plane, just select this face here and offset by 0. Yeah, to be drew. You can select drew or offset by 0 if you want to use a plane. Therefore, on this plane, I want to extrude. I think, let me see the best view. Front, yeah, this is the best view. This is the height of 35, and this one is 56, and height of 35, 56. Let's start by that one. I want this to be reference. Let me reference this, and this cross. Also, let me convert entity, this edge. Let me project this edge like that, so that I can use of a line like that of 35, 35. Then I can mirror this. Let me select this one here and mirror onto this line here. Then I have a radius of 56 here. Let me draw a circle like that of 56. Diameter, this is the diameter. We need a radius, therefore you select here, change to radius of 56. Then I want to see the height. The height is also 35. Therefore, you can see this 35. This height of this here is also 35. Therefore, this one is also 35. Then I need a line from this point to this point. Then this line, oops, this line to be tangent to this, like that. And I can mirror this side. Select to align. Select to align mirror to the other side there. Now we have this one here. Yeah. Then I can easily remove segment. Remove this, and this. Therefore, then we can extrude by what? By 14. Yeah, extrude by 14. The other direction by 14. Okay. Is it right? Let me see. Did we make a mistake somewhere? Yes, we made a mistake. This one is 13. That is 13. Let me go back to the sketch here and edit the sketch. Basically, I want to see from front view. This one is not supposed to be coincident. This one here. Therefore, my line, let me draw another line. It's supposed to be 35. Let me see. Okay. We have this 13, 56. Therefore, this 35 is, let me see, this point 13. This 35 is for the center. You don't have this line. This one will be automatically defined by that. The 13 is going to define the height of the line. Yeah. Therefore, I'm going to define this 13 instead. Therefore, I'm going to use this edge as my reference, and from here define this line to be 13. Yeah. Simply surprised, this side here, delete it, then select your line, mirror onto this. then delete this segment here. Yeah, therefore, and then this one here, this 13. Let me lock this dimension. Let me lock it. Let me see if this can change. Yeah, it can change. 35. Yeah, that's now fine. Okay, now they look the similar thing. Yeah, they look the same. Next is on to finalize on this rib here. You see this rib? From this view, this length is 40, then slants down. It is from this one here, 40 to here. Therefore, I can go to this face. You can go to this face and sketch like that. And this is my reference, and I need a line from this one here and stop here. Then go back, go up like that. Yeah? Then this to be 40, that to be 40, and a height of, they have to flash on height. Therefore, you see this here, I can now reference this also, this edge. Therefore, this point and this point to be coincident. Therefore, this and this to be coincident. Point identity. Let's delete this. Yeah. Therefore, again, this point select coincident. This point, this line, yeah, like that. And this one to be dimension this to be 40. Yeah, like that. Then when you extrude this to be, can see 10. This 10. Therefore, extrude by 10 here, reverse direction, then say okay. Then I need to mirror this to the right. Therefore, select this mirror difference to the right plane. Say okay. Lastly is this cutouts here. You can see we need this circular one of 35. The center hole is 16 and 32. Let's go on by one. Onto this face. Let me sketch first. This will be my reference. Therefore, if I put a circle here, this to be 35 by 16. This is 16. Another circle here. Therefore, this one here to be radio of 16. To be a radio of that 16 and 32. Oh, oops, no, not radio. Diameter of 32. Yeah. That's fine. Then we go to the next is we have another one here. I have this one of 24, 32, 48, and 56. Therefore, all those circles, all of them, 1, 2, 3, 4 dimensional. Next is radio. Let me first of all convert all these dimensions to radio. This one here, this radio, this to be radio, this to be a radio, this to be a radio. Therefore, this to be 16, this to be 32 to avoid confusion. Next is we need now to define 32, 48, 24. This is 24. This is 32. This is 48. This is 56. Similar one to the outside one. Then in the center line, that point, because I want not to delete all the bottom segments. These ones are fine. Then I want to connect this to this using an arc. Go to the arc here. Well, let me see an arc. Center point from this point to this point. Oops, that's not a good arc. Let's try 3 point. You see? Yeah, 3 point is fine. Like that. Then these circles are this and this. I can easily mirror them to the other side like that. Also this mirror the other side like that. Now I can easily extrude this. You can see the highlighted section. I want to extrude that section by 14. Therefore, I'm going to say OK, then extrude that section by 14 like that. See, OK. Yeah, can see. The reason why I said I need this sketch is because now I want to extrude cut this section here. Therefore, on the same plane, I'm going to sketch now, and I'm going to project. Basically, I don't need that sketch because I can easily project. Let me go isometric. This, 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 this. I'm going to cut that and cut this and this. Yeah. I'm going to remove the other side and say OK. Yeah. And say OK. Let me assign appearance. Let me see. Let me use this. Select body. Yeah. You can see now how it looks like. Yeah. A similar thing. Yeah, we have model that is exactly similar to this. It depends on the approach. When drafting, it depends on the approach you need. Someone else, like, you cannot start by the maybe everything here. It depends on the approach. But this is my method. You can have your own method that is easier. Yeah. Thank you. Stay tuned for more complex geometries. As we advance, I'm going to use a more complex, even some surfaces. Yeah, stay tuned for more. Thank you.